Prynawn da a chroeso I Brifysgol Wrecsam ac I Seremoni raddio y Brifysgol. Y bumed o 7 seremoni i'w chynnal dros 3 diwrnod. Welcome to Wrexham University and to the university's graduation ceremony, the 5th of 7 ceremonies to be held here over 3 days. Yn ystod y seremoni y prynhawn yma, byddwn yn cyflwyno tystysgrifau, diplomau a graddau. During the ceremony this afternoon, we will be presenting certificates, diplomas and degrees. Wel, mae nawr yn rhoi pleser mawr I mi wahodd Claire Homard, cynrychiolydd o Fwrdd Llywodraethwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam, I agor y seremoni yn swyddogol y prynhawn yma. It gives me great pleasure to invite Claire Homard, representative of the Chair of the Board of Governors of Wrexham University, to open the ceremony this afternoon.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, graduands. For many of you, today's ceremony is the official end of your studies at Wrexham University and is marked by these formal proceedings known as a congregation. The reason for this congregation is so that degrees can be conferred, honorary fellowships awarded, and other business which concerns this university be transacted. And so, by the authority given to me by the university, it gives me great pleasure to open this congregation of Wrexham University and the University of Chester and to ask that the university proclamation be read.
Hyder trwy addysg. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol. Y cynhelir heddiw ar y dyddiad hwn, Dydd Iau, y 10 o Fai 2024, yma yn Ninas Wrecsam, gynulliad awdurdodedig o Brifysgol Wrecsam a Phrifysgol Caer. Derbynir i'w gwobrau hefyd unigolion sydd trwy efrydiaeth yn y brifysgol a thrwy ddisg, medr a dyfalbarhad wedi teilyngu'r cyfryw raddau yn unol ag ordeiniadau'r brifysgol. Gyda phob gweddi a dymuniad ar iddynt fwynhau iechyd a hir hoedl I wasanaethu ei hoes a'i cenedl dan fendaeth y nef. Yna, dy oleuni a gyfyd mewn tywyllwch, ath dywyllwch a fydd fel hanner dydd, a rhai a fyddant ohono ti a adeiladant yr hen ddiffeithleoedd. Y mae digonedd o aer ac o emau, ond geiriau deallus yw'r trysor gwerthfawrocaf. Hyder trwy addysg. Confidence through education. Be it known to members of the university and to all here present that an authorised congregation of Wrexham University and the University of Chester is being held here in the city of Wrexham. This day, Thursday, 30th of May 2024. In addition, those who have, through study at the university and through learning, ability and perseverance, been deemed worthy of university awards in accordance with the ordinances of the university, will be admitted to their appropriate degrees, in the hope that they may be given health and long life to serve their generation and their country under the blessing of heaven. Then shall thy light rise in obscurity, and thy darkness be as the noonday. And they that shall be of thee shall build the old waste places. There is gold and a multitude of rubies, but the lips of knowledge are a precious jewel. Bydded hysbys I aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yn bresennol. Fod y Brifysgol wedi rhoddi'r awdurdod i'r athro Maria Hinfelar I dderbyn i'w graddau fyfyrwyr Prifysgol Wrecsam a enillodd raddau yn unol a rheolau'r Brifysgol. Gwelir enwau'r rhai y gellir ei derbyn i'w graddau yn y cynulliad hwn yn y rhestr preintiedig sydd wedi ei ddosbarthu y prynhawn yma. Let it be known to members of the university and to all who are present that the university has granted authority to Professor Maria Hinfelar to admit to their degrees students of Wrexham University who have qualified for degrees according to the regulations of the university. The names of those who may be admitted to their degrees in this congregation are to be seen on the printed lists that have been distributed today. Anrhydeddus is-ganghellor. Cyflwynaf I chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam i'w graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees. Doethir mewn athroniaeth, Doctor of Philosophy, teitl y thesis, ystadau tai mawr y dyfodol gan ddefnyddio gridiau clyfar, ynni adnewyddadwy a storio I gyrraedd targedau lleihau carbon 2050. Thesis title, Large Housing Estates of the Future using smart grids, renewables and storage to meet 2050 carbon reduction targets. David Sprake. Meistr mewn athroniaeth, PhD. Master of Philosophy, PhD. Gwyddoniaeth, Peirianneg a Technoleg. Science, Engineering and Technology. Y teitl. Dadansoddi a datblygu unedau delweddau reality estynedig uwch ar gyfer systemau modurol. Title. Analysis and development of enhanced augmented reality visualization units for automotive systems. Stefan Klaman. Meistr mewn dylunio, dylunio graffig ac amlgyfrwng. Master of Design, Graphic Design and Multimedia.
Samantha Ann Spillane. Katie Louise Howell. Freya Lucy Pritchard.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Animeiddio, Bachelor of Arts, Honours, Animation.
Hannah Cooper, Hannah Patricia Murphy, Emma Norcross. Caitlin Harwood, Aidan Mitchell.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Celfyddydau Cymhwysol, Bachelor of Arts, Honours, Applied Art.
Olivia Kurzweil, Tina Carter, Oliver Javier James. Maz Weston, Layla Alison Hodgson, Kid Roberts. Jamie Watson, Deborah Jane Davis.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Dylunio mewnol Pensaernïaeth, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Architectural Interior Design.
Daniela Brooker Ransom.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Llyfrau Plant, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Children's Books.
Adam James Rogers.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Ysgrifennu Creadigol, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Creative Writing.
Sarah Strygen, James Sutton.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Saesneg ac Ysgrifennu Creadigol, Bachelor of Arts Honours, English and Creative Writing.
Michael James Isherwood.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Celf Gain, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Fine Art.
Isabel May Evans, Daniela Max Whittaker.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Dylunio Graffig, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Graphic Design.
Luke Worrell, Leon Wood, Daniel James Birchall. Adam Rees Skinner.
Baglor yn y Celfyddydau Anrhydedd, Dylunio, Bachelor of Arts Honours, Illustration.
Olivia Lauren Lee Horner, Daniela Shannon Hagar, Beth London.
Bachelor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd Ffotograffiaeth a Ffilm. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Photography and Film.
Tyler Butler, Sophie Jane Rees, Sean Kevin Price. Mark Gregory.
Bachelor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, hanes cymdeithasol a diwylliannol ac ysgrifennu creadigol. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Social and Cultural History and Creative Writing.
Peter Evans.
Bachelor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, hanes cymdeithasol a diwylliannol. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Social and Cultural History.
Shelley Ann Hayward. Cerys Mai Edwards.
Bachelor yn y celfyddydau anrhydedd, Theatr, Teledu a Perfformio. Bachelor of Arts Honours, Theatre, Television and Performance.
Joshua Thies Kunsendrager Brown. Gemma Ashley Rowlands. Anya Davis.
Bachelor mewn Peirianneg anrhydedd. Peirianneg awyrennol a mecanyddol. Bachelor in Engineering Honours. Aeronautical and Mechanical Engineering.
Mirko Rumek, Tobias Gandia, Simon Rohra. Arthur Baclaras, Nicholas Tobias Schlachter, Natalie Louise Lashbrook. Michelle Kallenberger, Lucas Lewandowski, James Wiggins. Fernando III, Kainanan Rook, Jean-Pierre Kendrick.
Bachelor mewn Peirianneg anrhydedd, Peirianneg Automeiddio. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Automotive Engineering.
Simon Tashner, Robert Williams Michael Smith, Naomi Stiadman. Michael Herman, Marcos Casalo, Jack Goulburn. Emmanuel da Conciaso Couto.
Bachelor mewn Peirianneg anrhydedd, Peirianneg Electronig a Thrydanol. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Electrical and Electronic Engineering.
Tobias Hoffergartner, Thomas Kisselinger, Terry Louise Evans. Simon Kobler, Michael Sean Paul Richardson, Marvin Schwartz. Marcus Fischer, Lorenz Schwartz, Johannes Brack. Florian Matthias Beck, Felix Ritter, Dominique Ziegenhagen. Christopher Koch, Boris Mosner.
Baglor mewn Peirianneg Anrhydedd, Peirianneg Ddiwydiannol. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Industrial Engineering.
Simon Robert Lechner, Simon Johannes Müller, Paul Schwong. Maximilian Josef Kozabek, Lorenz Fabian Stagemeyer, Julian Andreas Nestor. Joshua Michael Rumpf, Hugo Jarvis, Felix Amelia. Benjamin Wetzel, Adam Thomas Johnson.
Baglor mewn Peirianneg Anrhydedd, Peirianneg Ddiwydiannol, Trydanol ac Awtomeiddio. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Industrial Engineering, Electrical and Automation.
Matthew Hayes.
Baglor mewn Peirianneg Anrhydedd, Peirianneg Ddiwydiannol, Rheoli Peirianneg. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Industrial Engineering, Engineering Management.
John Pierre Grishak.
Baglor mewn Peirianneg Anrhydedd, Peirianneg Ddiwydiannol, Gweithgynhyrchu a Chynhyrchu. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Industrial Engineering, Manufacturing and Production.
Jordan Paul Dooley.
Baglor mewn Peirianneg Anrhydedd, Dylunio Peirianneg Ddiwydiannol, Trydanol ac Electronig. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Industrial Engineering Design, Electrical and Electronic.
Robert Sean Rees, Lewis Morgan, Morgan John Davis. Matthew Anthony Skinner, Brogan Peter Prince, Boston Richardson.
Baglor mewn Peirianneg Anrhydedd, Dylunio Peirianneg Ddiwydiannol Mecanyddol. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Industrial Engineering Design, Mechanical.
Matthew John Willis, Sam Hurwell, Jamie Evans.
Baglor mewn Peirianneg Anrhygedd, Peirianneg Cynhyrchu. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Production Engineering.
Daniel James Thomas.
Baglor mewn Peirianneg Anrhydedd, Peirianneg Adnewyddadwy a Chynaliadwy. Bachelor of Engineering Honours, Renewable and Sustainable Engineering.
Matthias Fabian Ripstein, Dan James Holmes, Aled William Roberts.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd yr is-ganghellor I roi ei hanherchiad y prynhawn yma. I would now like to invite the Vice-Chancellor to give her address.
Members of the Board of Governors, graduating students, parents, spouses, children, friends, colleagues, honorary fellows, ladies and gentlemen. Prynawn da. Good afternoon. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you most warmly to today's award ceremonies here at Wrexham University on what is a very special day for everyone assembled today, whether you're here in person or watching this on a live stream somewhere in the world. Gaining a university degree is one of the highest personal achievements, a test of stamina, commitment, intellectual rigor and ability. And you should be extremely proud. You have worked hard. You have made the most of the opportunity of a university education. So on behalf of the staff, the academic staff, professional staff, all my colleagues, and the governors of the university, I'd like to say congratulations, or in Cymraeg, chynllunio. Oder auf Deutsch, Glückwünschen. Graduation ceremonies are the highlight of the year, symbolizing the values which we stand for at Wrexham University. A degree is a valuable asset. It is yours as of today. It'll remain yours forever. No one can take it away from you ever again. It marks an investment which you have personally made in your future. It marks your achievements, and these are now being rewarded. There will be others who have also contributed to your personal achievement. This no doubt includes your family and friends, and they deserve our thanks today as well. No matter how much individual talent you have, very few people can thrive unless they have a supportive environment around them. Our thanks also include our staff who have helped you and supported you throughout your time here at Wrexham University. You will now have a university qualification or another university qualification on your CV, which is a passport to future employment or study in your chosen profession. It is evidence and proof that you have acquired relevant knowledge, skills, and competencies. You are now an expert in your subject. It'll be important to keep stretching yourself. Perform to high standards, be open to learning new things, and stay curious so you remain at the forefront of your field. You have graduated, but you may not have all the answers yet. Nobody does. But wherever your career takes you, your degree will always stand you in good stead, and you will be up for whatever challenges and opportunities life will bring. You will also now be part of a growing community of Wrexham University alumni. Thousands of students study in Wrexham every year from around the UK, but also from other parts of Europe, from Asian countries, and from Africa. On top of that, we have thousands of students outside Wrexham with partner colleges spread around the world or online, for instance in Hong Kong, Singapore, Sri Lanka, China, and the Middle East. So the university has grown in recent years. We now have around 12,000 enrollments in the UK and abroad. So that makes your qualification truly global. And as we all know, Wrexham as a place is increasingly a pretty famous global brand. This is good news for the university, but especially for you, because it means that your qualification has that global ring to it. And wherever you go, people will have heard of the place where you studied, and that's a pretty good place to be. These days, everybody knows where we are on the map. To quote the theme for this year's graduations, embark on the adventure tomorrow, celebrate the journey today. In fact, you are already on that journey of the next chapter of your lives, because it may have been a while since you completed those exams or completed those assignments. And as you will discover today, we really want to know how you are getting on. I believe we have various colleagues from marketing who are going around asking you a few questions, such as, how do you look back on your time here? Where are you now? What about in 3 years' time? And what are your plans for today, for the celebrations? So don't be shy. Let us know what you are thinking and what you are doing. And the graduations festival after the ceremony this afternoon obviously isn't only about asking you questions or taking more photos. It's about food and drink and entertainment and celebrating with each other. There'll be plenty to do to enjoy with your guests. So as we heard at this session, we are marking the achievements of our graduates in a whole range of programs: art and design, humanities, the creative industries, engineering, and architecture. So that's an incredible range of expertise and know-how assembled in the auditorium this afternoon. It brings together some technical fields and also the creative sectors. And why not? We all need a bit of imagination to make things work. And there are a lot of organizations nowadays where they deliberately forge teams that combine different skills and mindsets and abilities. With so many challenges facing the world today, that is what we need. So you are one of those people, and you have a great future ahead of you. As you may have noticed, at Wrexham University, we also haven't stood still since you completed your studies. We continue to invest in our facilities under our £80 million campus master plan. We have completed the next phase of our Allied Health and Education Innovation Quarter, with state-of-the-art spaces for our nursing and allied health students. We have upgraded some studio spaces at the Regent Street Art School, where many of you spent the last 3 or 4 years. We are about to open our new Cyber Innovation Academy, which will benefit not only our students on computing courses, but also local organizations and businesses who want to train their own staff in the very, very challenging area of cyber security and cyber threats. We have a major construction project on site here and St. Asaph at the Optic campus to build the Enterprise Engineering and Optics Centre, with almost £12 million funding from the North Wales Growth Deal. And we continue to improve our existing facilities, slowly but surely, corridor by corridor. We now have lovely social and collaborative study spaces on all our campuses, where students can spend time outside class. We're putting in place also a brand new Wi-Fi network over the summer. And there is much more to come. A new home for our wonderful Students' Union, for instance. So these are exciting times. And Wrexham University is definitely standing out amongst other higher education providers when it comes to capital investment happening right now. We need to think about the future needs of our students and of our community. That is what we're all about. But back to today and your future success. I wish you all the best in your future career, and once again, you deserve it and you have the ability. So today is about enjoying the moment and the celebrations. Make sure you do that. So to finish, I wish you, in Welsh, pob lwc, iechyd a hapusrwydd dda. Good luck, good health, and happiness. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr, wahodd llywydd undeb y myfyrwyr I ddweud ychydig o eiriau y prynhawn yma. I would now like to invite the President of the Students' Union to say a few words this afternoon.
Prynawn da. It is an honour and a privilege to be sharing these celebrations with you today. I know all too well the work that you have had to put in to be sat here today, but you've done it. All of you are strong individuals and should be proud of what you have achieved. But I would like to acknowledge the support networks that you have around you. I would like to invite all of the graduates to please stand. Please stand. Please join me in cheering and clapping to thank friends, family, staff, and those who cannot be with us today for all of the support they have given over the past few years. Thank you. You may be seated. This year, your Students' Union have celebrated fantastic results from the National Student Survey. We were ranked #1 in Wales for Students' Union and Student Voice. We celebrated winning Campaign of the Year at the National Union of Students Awards for our Help Your Shelf campaign, which is in response to the cost of living crisis that we are all facing. We have celebrated sports teams being promoted and a record number of students accessing our services and attending our events. And today, we round the year off by celebrating you. It is an exciting time when you come to the end of your studies and receive your degree, and it can also feel daunting. However, your university will still be here for you. Your journey with us does not end here. There are many ways you can access us for support and guidance well after you have graduated. And of course, we want you to come back, work with us, and tell us all about your achievements in life. We want to continue this journey of celebration with you. When I came to searching for a university to study at, I wanted a university where the course was ranked highly for the quality of its teaching. I wanted an institution where I wasn't just a number, and a place where I felt valued and supported. Wrexham University certainly delivered on that. And I'm sure, for whatever reasons you chose to study here, you'll agree that once here, you felt part of a community, part of a family. And I'm sure that because of this, you will all be excellent ambassadors for our university. I am in no doubt that you will all go out into the world and do some extraordinary things. But my message to you is, success is a journey, not a destination. You will have ups and downs over the years, but remember to be kind to yourself throughout it all. Congratulations and good luck. Thank you.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor. Cyflwynaf I chi y myfyrwyr hyn o Brifysgol Wrecsam yw graddau, diplomau a'i tystysgrifau priodol. Honourable Vice-Chancellor, I present to you these students from Wrexham University to their respective certificates, diplomas and degrees. Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, Technoleg Dylunio Pensaernïaeth, Bachelor of Science Honours, Architectural Design Technology.
Thomas David Miller, Jatapon Prastisky, Gemma Price. Erin McGowan, Abigail Lauren Valentine.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, rheolaeth adeiladu, Bachelor of Science Honours, Construction Management.
Wayne Simmons, Sarah Angela Weaver, Natasha Louise Green. Kimroy Louis, Jordan Lee Jones, Darryl Jason Stanley. Anthony Charles Caffery, Nadine Hughes.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, sain a fideo proffesiynol. Bachelor of Science Honours, Professional Sound and Video.
Sean David Jones, Patrick Evans. Thomas James Sinclair.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, Technoleg sain. Bachelor of Science Honours, Sound Technology.
Rachel Dawn Evans.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth anrhydedd, Cynhyrchu Teledu a Technoleg. Bachelor of Science Honours, Television Production and Technology.
Dana Alice Darlington, Alan Humphreys, Jack Barron.
Baglor mewn gwyddoniaeth, Astudiaethau Peirianneg Civil. Bachelor of Science, Civil Engineering Studies.
David Louis Jones, Blevin Williams, Adam Christie Rees.
Tystysgrif genedlaethol uwch mewn technoleg adeiladu. BTEC Higher National Certificate, Construction Technology.
Ruth Emma Stiles.
Diploma addysg uwch, Theatr Teledu a Perfformio. Diploma of Higher Education, Theatre, Television and Performance.
Jessica Ann Fiddler.
Tystysgrif genedlaethol uwch, Technoleg drydanol ac electronig. Higher National Certificate, Electrical and Electronic Technology.
Thomas Jones, Quinn Robert William Warwick, Peter McEwan. Carl Stewart Binning, Joseph Dunlop, Hannah Williams. Ethan Lewis, Carl Howard, Cameron Cochran. Alan Clark.
Tystysgrif Genedlaethol Uwch, Technoleg Fecanyddol. Higher National Certificate, Mechanical Technology.
Samuel Wynne Jones, Morgan Thomas Rutter, Luke Thomas Hogan. Lucy Shannon Skillen, Emily Louise Carter, Elena Crump. Dylan Cameron Austin, Daniel James Thompson, Casey Ashley Coupit. Alex Edward Trevor.
Meistr yn y celfyddydau, ymarfer celf. Master of Arts, Art Practice.
Mainan Edwards.
Meistr yn y celfyddydau, ymarfer celf rhyngddysgyblaethol. Master of Arts, Art Interdisciplinary Practice.
Serene Ambrose Ellis.
Meistr yn y celfyddydau mewn iechyd. Master of Arts, Arts in Health.
Winston Gomez. Meistr yn y celfyddydau, ymarferydd celf proffesiynol. Master of Arts, Professional Art Practitioner. Sarah Louise Edwards.
Meistr mewn Dylunio, Darlunio. Master of Design, Illustration.
Hayley Faye Griffin.
Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth, Peirianneg Deunyddiau Cyfansawdd. Master of Science, Composite Materials Engineering.
Lee Brown.
Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth, Peirianneg Modurol. Master of Science, Engineering, Automotive.
Venkatish Curry, Vamsi Pavan Gulab Udi, Urva Sanjay Mistry. Sai Satish Ladarapu, Gregory Jolly.
Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth, Peirianneg, Electronig a Thrydanol. Master of Science, Engineering, Electrical and Electronic.
Naga Divaya Nayudu, Jasprit Kaur, Dislavia Petrokova. Callan Ryan Williams.
Meistr mewn Gwyddoniaeth Peirianneg, Electronic a Thrydanol gydag arfer uwch. Master of Science, Engineering, Electrical and Electronic with advanced practice.
Salmaima Battini.
Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth Peirianneg, gweithgynhyrchu mecanyddol gydag ymarfer uwch. Master of Science, Engineering, Mechanical Manufacture with advanced practice.
Yash Devendra Kumar Joshi, Rotit Chavan, Ayub Muhammad.
Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth Peirianneg, yn adnewyddadwy a chynaliadwy. Master of Science, Engineering, Renewable and Sustainable Energy.
Emmanuel Sesha.
Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth Peirianneg, gweithgynhyrchu mecanyddol. Master of Science, Engineering, Mechanical Manufacture.
Yash Kumar Makeshbhai Pandya, Stephanie Metzger, Mohan Rajesh Koya. Kunal Kitagumar Patel, Afred Saeed.
Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth, Dylunio arloesol. Master of Science, Innovative Design.
Deepak Kumar.
Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth, Technoleg System Awyrennau Digryw gydag ymarfer uwch. Master of Science, Unmanned Aircraft System Technology with advanced practice.
Vishnav Gurusamy Malikandan.
Tystysgrif ôl-raddedig mewn Peirianneg, Postgraduate Certificate in Engineering.
Lucy Louise Ratcliffe, Damrik Chandakumar Dave, Bhavana Krishna Kudadi.
Diploma ôl-raddedig mewn Peirianneg modurol. Postgraduate Diploma in Engineering, Automotive.
Jerin Kutamatil George.
Diploma mewn Technoleg Cerddoriaeth Addysg Uwch. Diploma of Higher Education in Music Technology.
Angelica Diwar.
Master of Science, Data Science and Big Data Analytics.
Venkarta Sai Durga.
Meistr mewn gwyddoniaeth, gwyddor data a dadansoddeg data mawr. Master of Science, Data Science and Big Data Analytics.
Abhishek Taravati.
We're nearly there. Just bear with me while I find my place. Yes, there we are. So we're now going to come to the most formal part of the ceremony, which is where we confer your degrees officially, and you become graduates officially. At some of the older universities, this might have in the past been done in Latin. Of course, across the UK, it tends to be done in English, but as we are in Wales, which is a beautiful nation, part of the UK, we're going to do it in Welsh only. But I'll explain what's happening. The orator, LMI, will ask me to confer the degrees and all their privileges on you, which I will do. She will then ask me the same question again on behalf of all the graduates who cannot be here today in person, so they will get their degrees in absentia. So, for this official moment in the ceremony, can I please ask all the graduates to stand? Thank you.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor, cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Twy awdurdod y Prifysgol a Dydd Iau, derbynaf chwych gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r gwobrau hyn.
Anrhydeddus Is-Ganghellor, cymeradwyaf I chi dderbyn yn ei hapsenoldeb y myfyrwyr hynny a enwyd yn rhannau priodol y rhaglen i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r graddau hyn.
Twy awdurdod y Prifysgol a Dydd Iau, derbynaf I chreu anodwyd yn ei hapsenoldeb i'w gwobrau ac I holl freintiau'r gwobrau hyn. That's it. You've got your degrees. Congratulations.
Wel, hoffwn yn awr alw ar cle homad cynrychiolydd o fwrdd llywodraethwyr I gair cynulliad y prynhawn yma. I would now like to invite Claire Homad, representative of the Board of Governors, to close the congregations today.
Ladies and gentlemen, the granting of an academic award brings with it privileges and responsibilities. Through your hard work and diligence, you have joined a distinguished society of scholars. I would like to add my personal congratulations to those of the Vice-Chancellor and the University. In doing so, I formally close the congregations of Wrexham University and the University of Chester. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Wel, gyfeillion, dyna ddiwedd ein seremoni am y prynhawn yma, cynhelir cynulliad nesaf Prifysgol Wrecsam y bore fori. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this afternoon's graduation ceremony. The next congregation of Wrexham University will take place tomorrow morning. Felly, gai ofyn I chi gyd I sefyll ac aros ar eich traed hyd nes i'r orymdaith gan gynnwys y graddedigion newydd Adeiladu, os gwelwch yn dda. May I ask you all to stand and remain standing until the procession, including the new graduates, have left the hall. Diolch yn fawr iawn.